Good morning, dear student. Now our next topic is petroleum. Petroleum is known as the black gold also because it is too much precious for us. Without petrol, our transport can't possible. Today, those things product are made up inside the factories. They are reaching to us by help of only petrol. And petrol producer areas are in India, Digboi in Assam, Bombay in Maharashtra inside the coastal ocean source, and Krishna and Godavari deltas. These are the sources of petrol, and petrol petrol, it is found between the layers of rock, and it is drilled from the oil field located in offshores and coastal areas. Sometimes it found in the coastal areas. So it is extraction through the drilling, those we have discussed earlier. Through the drill, petroleum extraction is possible, or with the petrol there are many variety of product like a diesel, kerosene, wax, plastic, lubricants are found. That's why it is known as the black gold also. So this is the topic we have discussed related to petrol. Now our next topic is natural gas. Natural gas is mostly found inside the earth, and natural gas is most of time found with the petroleum deposit, and it released when the crude oil is brought to the surface. जब हम crude oil को ऊपर निकालते हैं तो ये वहाँ से नीचे से रिलीज होके निकल के आती है. और इन इंडिया जैसलमेर, कृष्णा, गोदावरी डेल्टा, त्रिपुरा are some area where the natural gas is found. It is very few countries in the world have sufficient natural gas reserves for their own. बहुत ऐसे कम कंट्रीज है वर्ल्ड में जिनके पास नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज के सोर्सेज है, नेचुरल गैस के सोर्सेज है. एंड एडवांटेज ऑफ नेचुरल गैस is easy to transport through the pipe, through the tanks. Basic of petrochemical industries, and these are the advantage of petroleum. It is easy to transport, it is used in chemical industries. Now natural gas disadvantages are polluting, lot of pollutions through the release caused by the acid rain, and exploration of new field not easy. Advantage, easier to transport through the pipelines, cleaner than oil and coal. मीन्स द easy going. जब हम इसका रिफाइनरी सेटअप करते हैं तो नो सच हार्ड वर्क रिक्वायर्ड टू क्लीन अप. चीपर देन द ऑयल से ये चीप कॉस्ट पे अवेलेबल होती है. तो दिस आर द sources we have discussed today, power resources of conventional sources, and last one is the tidal power. You know, rainwater of river, water stored in dams is made up to fall from the height. The falling water flow through the pipes inside the dam over turbine blades placed at the bottom of the dam. जैसे कि डैम्स होता है हाइट पे, बॉटम पे टर्बाइंस को सेट किया जाता है लाइक दिस, और हाइट से जब वाटर फॉल्स होता है तो टर्बाइन टर्न होता है. टर्बाइन टर्न होने के साथ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड टर्न होती है, तो इट्स जनरेट द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, और सच टाइप ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोडक्शन इज नोन एज द हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. द वाटर डिस्चार्ज आफ्टर जनरेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज यूज फॉर द इरीगेशन. इसी वाटर को इरीगेशन के लिए यूज किया जाता है. एंड लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ आइडल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आर Norway, Brazil, Paraguay, China also. Or in India, important power station of idle power are Bakra Nangal Dam, Gandhi Sagar in Madhya Pradesh, Nagarjun Sagar and Damodar Valley. So dear student,